बाल गंदे लग रहे हैं ना, ये तो लड़का लग ही नहीं रहा, लड़की लग रहा है। करें कटिंग? ओके, लेट्स कट हिज हेयर्स। टिन ओके ओके। कहाँ से इसके बाल लंबे हैं मुझे बताएं जरा, टेल मी। ओके 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 ओके, वन बाय वन। Okay, let's make a butterfly. Just pick up the stick and paste it here. Very good. Very good. Paste it here. Press well. Okay. Isa, now paste this leaf here. Here. No. Here. Now press it well. Press it. Okay, it's Rice Heather's turn. Rice Heather, paste this leaf here. Here. Very nice. Very nice.
बोलो। Nice look. Answer me. अब क्या है? What happened?
Okay, now paste this leaf like this. Very nice, Rice Heather. Very nice. Isa, now it's your turn. Paste this leaf here like this. Okay, pick up the leaf. Okay, good. Very good. So the butterfly is completed. Okay.